Happy 4th of July. And today, I have 7-year-old pop rocket cars. So just the same way that wine tastes better through time, same thing with fireworks.
I don't think that's how it
Jerry,
works.
nobody asked you for your opinion. Just get out, Jerry. Get out now. Ha, you should believe me. I know my facts, unlike this piece of garbage like Jerry over here.
This statement is false. This man is a killing machine. He has 7 fully grown men trapped in his basement.
Okay, let's try these bad boys out.
Here we go. The holy grail of fireworks, ladies and gentlemen. The moment all of us have been waiting for. We can get that in special effects, right? Yeah, maybe?